thought I will do an unboxing video for you guys. I ordered some stuff from AliExpress, and more or less it's like earring stuff. I forgot what you call it. Hardware, earring hardware, way like the, what you call it, the stuff that you make earrings with, the this piece and the jump rings, and then some of the other little stuff that I want to use to hang them when, and they all came in this little box. But this is what I have. So I have not looked at anything as yet, but I am so excited because I really want to make some more earrings this weekend. I did get a couple orders, and then some people were actually asking me for more designs. So I did pick up another pliers because I realized that you kind of really need to have some good pliers around to use. So first I see here, these are, in terms of the earring parts, this is in gunmetal, and I really love gunmetal color, and I think this goes really well with like anything darker color and stuff like that. This may not be for right now. I also got black because in doing stuff I realized that I didn't get black in the set. Then these are back-ends because I did pick up some, if you guys can see, the what you stick in the back. For some of them I did pick up the like the ball part in front, and these were so inexpensive. They were like a little over $1 for like 100, whereas, or maybe even more, I have to double check. So then these are angel wings that I saw, and I thought I'll pick it up, and this is a multicolor. It's a mixed packet, and I just want to try it. And then these are, oh, so that I think these go with this. These are just a flat top, and then the thing at the back, so you can actually put anything like gems here, stick anything on top of it, gems or faux leather. Then these are some like keys. I don't know if you can see one of them there. They're like keys, and I find these look like a pretty good quality, so I'm going to make like one or two in like a pair of earring in each of them. Oh, so I actually did pick up these gems, and these are like flat gems that can go on top of this hardware. So that's what it looks like. They're pretty, like, oh my goodness, I can't believe how pretty some of these are. Can you guys see? They're like really, really pretty. Next we have these these are more or less, I think, for like brooches, or definitely not earrings, but like brooches or chains. We can use earring if you like have a nice drop, but they're like heart and life and like a dog paw or animal paw, which I think is fabulous because a lot of my friends like have pets. And then this one is it's like a bee, not a butterfly, and I think these would be really nice, maybe even with the sunflower. I don't know if you guys saw my Amazon haul, but I did buy some faux sunflower, and I think this might actually be a nice little gem on it. And then this is a mixed pack of jump rings, and these are actually smaller ones. The ones that I have are actually a little big, and I thought I'll just pick up some smaller ones so I can hang these little accessories. Then this is a mixed pack of the same hoop thing. This one has, these are earrings again that you can push through, and they have like a little ball on the top of them. I will try and post pictures if you guys are interested in it. I don't want to open them up as yet, but if you're interested in seeing any follow-ups, let me know. These again are another mixed pack of those same earring hooks, and last two are these accessories. This will be crosses, and I'm happy I got them in time for Easter so I can make a couple of them, because some of my earrings do have crosses in the faux leather, but in this case I could just do it on a better background, you know, instead of cutting it through the faux. So faux leather. And then the last one would be shells, and I thought shells would be a nice touch for the summer, for holidays. So that's my little AliExpress haul with my jewelry accessories, and honestly these things were pretty I would say inexpensive if you want links, because some of you are into making your own jewelry or have your little Etsy store, or you just have your little store, Facebook, Instagram, and you're interested in just seeing where I got these compared to maybe the prices that you get yours at. Feel free to message me and let me know. I will definitely share it with you. Definitely not affiliates. I just they reached super fast, by the way. I just I'll share it with you because I got the whole. I didn't even look at it, but I'm so impressed. So you got my first impression. I'm so impressed with how quickly they came, how they were packaged. Nothing looked like it was damaged. So I'm gonna play around tonight and tomorrow into some of it and see how well they open and close and that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in any DIY or see me how I make my earrings or what I do, let me know. And this one is my little Easter one. I got so many compliments today when I was up and about. So this one, the backing is a faux leather white, but has no backing. Where some of them I do put a backing on the, like this one actually has a backing on it here, so you just don't see the white. So if this, it should not flip around, but if it does, you just don't see that harsh white. But anyhow, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this random video that I'm sharing with you. Until my next video, bye.